for you since I've been gone.
Hi, Philip here from Hatfield Sound and Security, and this is a Jeep Wrangler. It's built uniquely by our friends at CIT. The amount of modifications on this specific Wrangler is ridiculous. From the XRC kit that's been installed to the 35-inch hostile wheels that are the dish is as big as your hand. It's got full Fox suspension and is driven inside with an insanely massive Rockford Fosgate system that suits this Jeep to a T. This Jeep sounds as mean as it looks. This giant of a Jeep has been completely transformed. The front bumper has been replaced, the fenders have been removed, the XRC kit covers that entire side of the vehicle and the rear of the bumper. The bonnet is unique and has been changed, as well as the grille. So the light bar cover over the windscreen, that is actual steel. This baby looks like an armored beast. We've changed the head unit here to fit a top-of-the-range Kenwood multimedia system. It's got a full power system. The woofer has been designed in such a way that it can fire into the cab, so even when the top is off, you get an insane amount of bass in the listening position. It's just clean, it's just crisp, it's what we do. Hatfield Sound and Security will feed your soul this summer.
For you since I've been